Meaning of expansion.
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 Expansion. Expansion refers to the process of enlarging or increasing something in size, scope, or volume. The result of an expansion is usually a growth or extension of the original entity. This could occur in various ways, including physical expansion such as when a company increases its production capacity, or intellectual expansion such as when an individual gains more knowledge or broadens their skill set. Ultimately, the outcome of an expansion should be positive, resulting in greater opportunities, increased efficiency, improved performance, and sometimes even higher profits.